Hello, good morning, students. Today I am going to start continuity and differentiability. So, what do you mean by continuity? Continuity মানে আমি কি বুঝো? Continuity actually কিহৰ পৰা আহে? It comes from the word continuous. Continuous তো আমাৰ normally use হোৱা এটা শব্দ. It is a very common word, continuous. So, what do you mean by continuous? Continuous মানে আমি প্ৰকৃততে কি বুজি পাওঁ? হয়তো আমি কণ্টিনিউয়াছটো ভালকৈ বুজি পাওঁ, কিন্তু বুজি পাওঁ হয়তো ক'ব নোৱাৰোঁ, বুজি পাওঁ কিন্তু মেথমেটিকেল আমি ভাৰ্চনটো আমি দিব নোৱাৰোঁ। চ' ইয়াত আমি কণ্টিনিউয়াছ মিনছ কণ্টিনিউয়াছ ৱে ফাংচনৰ কথা পাতিম। আমি মেথমেটিকেল ডেফিনিশ্যন তাত দিয়া একো যত্ন কৰিম, ফাংচন এটাৰ কণ্টিনিউটি কথা পাতিম। চ' ফাংচন এটা আমি জানো, ফাংচন এটা জেনেৰেলি আমি গ্ৰাফলৈ ৰিপ্ৰেজেণ্ট কৰি দিওঁ। ইয়াত গ্ৰাফ এটা হৈ যায়। চ' এতিয়া কথা হ'ল কি, মই কিছুমান গ্ৰাফ কিছুমান ড্ৰ কৰিছোঁ। গ্ৰাফ নম্বৰ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 টোটেল 8 কাৰ্ভছ here। এতিয়া মোক ক'ব লাগে এই কাৰ্ভকেইটাৰ ভিতৰত কোনকেইটা কাৰ্ভ কণ্টিনিউৱাছ, কোনকেইটা কাৰ্ভ কণ্টিনিউৱাছ নহয়। চ' যদি মই ওপৰে চাওঁ ভাৰ্চুৱেল দৃষ্টিত মোৰ কি হ'ব, এইটো এটা কণ্টিনিউৱাছ কাৰ্ভ, দিছ ইজ অলছ' এ কণ্টিনিউৱাছ কাৰ্ভ, this is also a continuous curve, this is also a continuous curve. That means curve 1 3 5 and 7 are continuous. But in the other hand, the curve 8, that is curve 8, is not continuous. Similarly, curve 6 is also not continuous. Curve 4 is also not continuous. But what about the curve 2? Is it continuous? %90 studente ক'ব it is not a continuous. So এইটো ইয়াৰ বিষয়ে মই পিছত কথা পাতিম, it is continuous or not continuous. So continuous মানে আমি কি বুজিছোঁ, দেখাত কিবা এটা দেখিছোঁ, দেখি কিবা এটা বুজিছোঁ, কিন্তু we can't express। কেতিয়াবা আমি কনফাৰ্ম নহওঁ, কেতিয়াবা আমাৰ ডাউট হৈ যায় যে it is continuous or not. So এতিয়া আমি ডেফিনিশ্যনখিনি চাওঁ। So continuous মানে কি কৈছোঁ, continuous function, that is continuous function. So continuous function যেতিয়া আমি continuity কথা পাতো, continuity of that is continuous of the function at a particular point. আমি particular point এটা continuity কথা ক'ব পাৰো, নহলে particular interval এটা কথা ক'ব পাৰো। So continuous ক'লে আমি continuous at a point ৰ কথা ক'ব পাৰো, এটা পইণ্টত continuous হ'ব পাৰে বা এটা ইণ্টাৰভেলত continuous হ'ব পাৰে। So আগৰ গ্ৰাফ কেইটা চোৱাচোন, এই গ্ৰাফটো চোৱাচোন, এই পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ পইণ্টটোৰ বাদে আদাৰৱাইজটো গ্ৰাফটো কণ্টিনিউৱাছ হৈ আছে ন। চিমিলাৰলি ইয়াতো চোৱা, এই পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ পইণ্টটো যদি মই বাদ দিওঁ, এইটো পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ পইণ্ট, তো গ্ৰাফটো কণ্টিনিউৱাছ আছে। চিমিলাৰলি এইটো পইণ্ট যদি মই বাদ দিওঁ, এইটো পইণ্ট, তো গ্ৰাফটো কণ্টিনিউৱাছ আছে, ইয়াত কণ্টিনিউৱাছ আছে, ইয়াত কণ্টিনিউৱাছ আছে, কিন্তু এইটোতে কণ্টিনিউৱাছ নহয়। চিমিলাৰলি ইয়াতো যদি মই এইটো পইণ্ট এইবিলাক পইণ্টৰ যদি মই কথা কওঁ, এইকেইটা পইণ্টত ডিছকণ্টিনিউৱাছ আছে হয়, কিন্তু বাকীবিলাক জেগাতটোতো এইবিলাক ইণ্টাৰভেলত কণ্টিনিউৱাছেই হৈ আছে। চ' সেইকাৰণে কণ্টিনিউৱাছ কোৱাৰ লগে লগে আমাৰ আহিব কি, কণ্টিনিউৱাছ এট এ পইণ্ট অৰ কণ্টিনিউৱাছ ইন এণ্ড অন এন ইণ্টাৰভেল। চ' কণ্টিনিউৱাছ এট এ পইণ্ট কাক কওঁ, a function f(x) is said to be continuous at a particular point x equal to c if limiting value of the function, this is called limiting value of the function, this is called limiting value, if limiting value of the function is equal to value of the function. Jodi limiting value or value of the function, this is called value of the function. Jodi limiting value or value of the function equal hoy, then the function is said to be continuous at the point x equal to c. Limiting value means limit exists. That means right hand limit is equal to left hand limit. That is, if right hand limit is equal to left hand limit is equal to value of the function, then the function is said to be continuous at the point x equal to c. কিন্তু ইয়াতে চোৱা মই সৰুকে এটা ষ্টাৰ এটা দি থৈছো, এইটো এটা ষ্টাৰ এটা দিছো, মন কৰিছানে? এইটো ষ্টাৰটো কি হয়? This is T and C apply. T and C, that is terms and condition apply. It we should discuss koriম আমি. Next ahile jodi continuous on or in an interval ko. So what do we mean by the continuous function in an interval or on an interval? So interval koar loge loge ami duta interval kotha ahibo. One is called open interval. This one is open interval and other is called closed interval. So আমি জানো open interval definition to কি আছিল? All the real numbers in between a and b excluding a and excluding b. a আৰু b বাদ দি ইয়াৰ ভিতৰত থকা সব real number বিলাক আমি open interval কও. Closed interval কাক কৈছিল? Suppose closed interval ab, all the real numbers in between a and b including a and including b. a আৰু b লৈ পেলাই গুটে real number বিলাক ললে আমি তাক কম closed interval. So কথাটো হল continuity in an open interval. Suppose open interval is suppose ab. This is open interval. So if function f is said to be continuous in an open interval if f is continuous at every point of the open interval. Here meaning to it is the open interval to each and every point of jodi function to continuous hoy, then the function is said to be continuous in the open interval. That means if the function is continuous at each and every point in the open interval ab, then the function is said to be continuous in the open interval ab. That is, in mathematically, for all c belongs to the open interval ab, limit x tends to cf of x, that is limiting value of the function. Limiting value of the function is equal to value of the function. Then function is said to be continuous in the open interval ab. Here c is arbitrary point. C jikono eta point loi লৈছো মই interval to jikono eta point. He interval to jodi continue interval to jikono eta point jodi he continuous hoy, tetiale gutte interval to te ami tak continuous become generalize kori kolu. So in case of closed interval olop change hoy jabo. Closed interval definition to ki asile? Closed interval means open interval ab plus point a plus point b. That is closed interval ab. So closed interval ab to আমি এনেকে express কৰিব পাৰো. এতিয়া চোৱা, if function fx is said to be continuous in the closed interval on the closed interval ab, closed interval to কেতিয়া continuous বুলি কম? If number 1 f is continuous in the open interval ab. If f is continuous in open interval ab. যদি ইয়াত continuous থাকে হি, ইয়াত continuous হ'ব কাৰণে কি হ'ব লাগিব? আগৰ নিচিনা একই কথা. If f is continuous in open interval ab, then for all c belongs to the open interval ab, limiting value of the function must be equal to value of the function. Secondly কি হ'ব লাগে? Second condition to হল কি যে f is a right hand continuous at x equal to a. At x equal to a. Right hand continuous means limit x tends to a plus f of x. Right hand limit is equal to value of the function. A third condition to ki f is left hand continuous at x equal to b. That means left hand limit is equal to value of the function at the point x equal to b. So তেতিয়ালে কি হ'ব সোয়া এই ফাংশনটো যদি f টো যদি ক্লোজ ইন্টারভ্যালত কন্টিনিউয়াস হ'ব লগা হয় তেতিয়ালে হি ওপেন ইন্টারভ্যালত কন্টিনিউয়াস হ'ব লাগিব ফার্স্ট থিং সেকেন্ডলি কি হ'ব লাগিব f ত রাইট হ্যান্ড কন্টিনিউটি থাকিব লাগিব রাইট হ্যান্ড কন্টিনিউটি মিন্স রাইট হ্যান্ড লিমিট at the point x equal to a is equal to value of the function আৰু thirdly lastly কি হ'ব লাগিব f2 left hand continuous at the point b হ'ব লাগিব left hand continuous means left hand limit is equal to value of the function ঠিক আছে so এটো হল then the function is said to be continuous in the closed interval ab so tnc to কি কৈছিলো মই সোৱা tnc what is tnc tnc কি আছিল সবতে tnc থাকে আজিকালি বস্তু কিনিবলৈ যাবা কিবা লেখা থাকিব টার্মস এন্ড কন্ডিশন থাকিব টার্মস এন্ড কন্ডিশন আছে টার্মস এন্ড কন্ডিশন আমাক কি কয় ইয়াত যেটো পয়েন্টৰ কথা কলো কন্টিনিউটি এট এ পয়েন্ট হে পয়েন্ট অলৱেজ কি হ'ব লাগে দিস পয়েন্ট অলৱেজ বি এন ইন্টেৰিয়ৰ পয়েন্ট এটা ইন্টাৰভেলৰ ভিতৰৰ পয়েন্ট হ'ব লাগিব যদি ইন্টাৰভেলৰ ভিতৰৰ পয়েন্ট হয় তেতিয়া হলে ইয়াতে ৰাইট হ্যান্ড লিমিট লেফট হ্যান্ড লিমিট আৰু ভ্যালু অফ দি ফাংশন ইকুৱেল হয় interior point means not an initial point or terminal point not an initial point terminal point means suppose in the closed interval ab in the closed interval ab this is called interior point initial point and b is called terminal point eto terminal point so initial point or terminal point or kane continuity definition to beleg ase so initial point okane ki hoy so in case of the initial point at x equal to a at the point x equal to a if right hand limit is equal to value of the function then also function is said to be continuous at x equal to a so agot ami ki koisilu right hand limit is equal to left hand limit is equal to value of the function ebar moi ki koisu right hand limit is equal to value of the function put right hand limit of the value of the function in case of initial point kile yate terminal point to na thaki etu suppose eta interval etu eta close interval etu close interval a close interval at etu initial point etu close interval etu a etu b so yet etu a par start hoise a left side to na thake so hekane a limit to exist koribo limit to exist ei na kore similarly b ki hoy b ako right hand to na thake b plus to tumi nupua yate b minus to paba so hekane yat left hand limit ulai so jodi initial point hoy if a and b if a is the initial point then right hand limit is equal to value of the function then also function is said to be continuous at the point x equal to a and this type of continuity is called right hand continuity right hand continuity REC right hand continuity similarly at the end point this is b is the end point b is the end point that ki hoy if left hand limit yate moi koisilo tuma left hand limit exist koribo right hand limit exist na kore left hand limit is equal to value of the function then also f is said to be continuous at x equal to b and this type of continuity is called left hand continuity so yate swa yate right hand continuity ya left hand continuity initial point or karone hol আৰু যদি ইয়াতে যেটো আমি পয়েন্টৰ কথা কৈছিলো at the point x equal to c to কি পয়েন্ট আছিলে ইয়াৰ আছিলে c to ইয়াত কোবাত আছে interior point ইয়াত c to কোবাত আছে so ইয়াত যদি থাকে ইনসাইডত থাকে তেতিয়ালে right hand left hand value of the function তিনিটা হ'ব লাগিব so clear হল না কথাটো so মই কি কলো তেতিয়ালে first কলো continuity at a point a function is said to be continuous at a particular point if limiting value of the function is equal to value of the function that means if right hand limit is equal to left hand limit is equal to value of the function then the function is said to be continuous at the point x equal to c provided C is the interior point. If C is not an interior point, either initial point or terminal point, then তেতিয়া কি আহিব at least one of the limits, either right hand limit or left hand limit, must be equal to value of the function. Clear? Next কৈছিলো মই continuity on an interval. Continuity in open interval. A function is said to be continuous in an open interval if the function is continuous at each and every point in the open interval. Mathematically কি কৈছিলো মই for all C, mathematically কৈছিলো আমি for all C belongs to the open interval, limiting value must be equal to value of the function. আৰু finally আমি কৈছিলো continuity in the closed interval. Continuity in the closed interval হলে আমি তিনটা কন্ডিশন আহে, continuity in open interval, right hand continuity in the initial point and left hand continuity in terminal point. Clear? Okay. Next আহিলে discontinuity. What do you mean by discontinuity? Discontinuity means discontinuous, not continuous. So if right hand limit is not equal to left hand limit, suppose A is the initial point, sorry, A is the interior point, right hand limit is not equal to left hand limit, that means limit does not exist. If limit does not exist, then the function is not continuous, f is not continuous at x equal to a. And this type of discontinuity is called ordinary discontinuity. This is called ordinary discontinuity. Next discontinuity, next enukwa hobo pare, suppose limit exists but not equal to value of the function. Limit exists but not equal to value of the function. Then also f is not continuous at x equal to a. And this type of discontinuity is called removal discontinuity. Removal discontinuity means discontinuity can be removed. For example, to সৰু এটা example মই কৈছো, practical example এটা কৈছো. Suppose তুমি কিবা এটা বস্তু ভাঙি গল, একেটা ভাঙি গল, তুমি যদি তাক জয়েন কৰিব পাৰা, this is called removal discontinuity. That means discontinuity can be removed. জয়েন কৰিব পৰা গল, যদি ভাঙি আছে তাক কেতিয়া জয়েন কৰিব তুমি নোৱাৰা, then this is called ordinary discontinuity. Okay? So our topic to কি আছিল? Our topic to আছিল continuity. That means continuous function. Actually continuous function or definition to কি হয়ছ? First my definition can discuss কৰিছো. So if function f is said to be continuous if it is continuous in its domain. তাৰমানে এটা ফাংশন কেতিয়া আমি কন্টিনিউয়াস কওঁ, যদি এই ফাংশনটো কি ডোমেইনত কন্টিনিউয়াস থাকে তেতিয়া আমি তাক কন্টিনিউয়াস বুলি কওঁ. So continuity at a point in or on an interval, ebu kotha nahe, if the function is continuous in its domain, then function is said to be continuous function. So everywhere continuous means a function is said to be continuous everywhere if f is continuous at every point of the real number. That means if the function is continuous for all real values of x, then it is called everywhere continuous. So it is a important definition. Hai attack moi kolo everywhere continuous if the function is continuous at for all real values of x, that is called everywhere continuous. Continuous function means if it is continuous in its domain. Monorobone continuous function means if it is continuous in its domain. So I am get one problem discuss koro. Exercise number 1. Example number 1. Check the continuity of the function f given by fx equal to this at x equal to 1. At the particular point of our continuity discuss koribo goise. So continuity particular point discuss kole ami tar limiting value labo lagibo at the point x equal to 1. So here limiting value lalo, limit x tends to 1 f of x, limit x tends to 1 f of x equal to 5. Okay, and value of the function is also 5. Since limiting value is equal to value of the function, therefore function is continuous at x equal to 1. This is very important. Continuous at the point x equal to 1. Direct continuous kole bhul hobo, continuous at the point x equal to 1. Next example number 2. Discuss the continuity of fx equal to x where x is greater than equal to 0 is equal to minus x when x is less than 0 at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0. It is why our question to a question was all of differences. Yet we have to discuss the continuity of the function at the point x equal to 0. Here 0 is the critical point. Critical point means turning point. Turning point means enekwa. So 0 right side of function to beleg hoy gol, left side of function to beleg hoy gol. Tetu etu koa hoy critical point but turning point. 0 right side of function beleg, left side of function beleg. Jodi enekwa function thake tete hebleko ko moi piecewise function. Aru piecewise function ot ami ki koribo lagibo yate right hand limit left hand limit belege ulai sabo lagibo. Thik ase? So it is why yet we have to discuss the continuity of the function at the point x equal to 0. So first we have to find the right hand limit of the function. The right hand limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. Limit x tends to 0 plus. When x is greater than 0, you see, when x is greater than 0, then fx equal to x. Here fx equal to x. This equal to 0. Similarly, when x tends to 0 minus fx, x tends to 0 minus means when x is less than 0, then fx equal to minus x. And this is also equal to 0. And value of the function f of 0, when x equal to 0, then fx equal to 0, fx equal to x. That means f of 0 is equal to 0. Here right hand limit is equal to left hand limit is equal to value of the function. Therefore, f is continuous at the point x equal to 0. Similarly, example number 3. Examine the continuity of the function. Fx equal to 3x minus 2 if x lies between 0 and 1, including 1. Fx equal to twice x minus x when x is less than equal to 2 and strictly greater than 1. Fx equal to 5x minus 4 if x is strictly greater than 2. At the point x equal to 2, x equal to 1, x equal to 3. তিনটা পয়েন্টত আমি ডিসকাস কৰিব লাগিব। So it will function. It is piecewise function. It is piecewise function is why here point 2 and 1. These are critical point. 2 and 1. So critical point means মই কৈছিলো যত function to change হয়. Turning point. এইবিলাকত function turn কৰিছে, function change হৈছে. Less than 1 kind of function বেলেগ হৈছে, greater than 1 kind of function বেলেগ হৈছে, less than 2 kind of function বেলেগ হৈছে, greater than 2 kind of functions বেলেগ হৈছে. So these are known as critical point. So মই ইয়াত কৈছিলো critical point ত আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব right hand limit left hand limit value of the function ওলাব লাগিব. So at the point x equal to 2, since 2 is the critical point or turning point, so first we have to find the right hand limit of the function. Right hand limit x tends to 2 plus. When x is greater than 2, then function is 5x minus 4. So value limit is 6. Left hand limit x tends to 2 minus. X tends to 2 minus means less than 2. When x is less than 2, then function is this one. Twice x square minus x. Again limit is 6. And value of the function. When x is less than when x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, then again the function is twice x square minus x. Again f of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 square minus 2 is equal to 6. Here right hand limit is equal to left hand limit is equal to value of the function. Therefore, right hand limit is equal to left hand limit is equal to value of the function. Therefore, f is continuous at x equal to 2. F is continuous at x equal to 2. Okay. So next point kita lajua. Next point to chua. At the point x equal to 1. At the point x equal to 1. At the point x equal to 1. Just a minute. Okay. At the point x equal to 1. 1 to আকৌ কি কৈছিলো মই this is the critical point 1 to ইয়াতে critical point হৈ আছিল 1 to তুমি function change হৈ আছিল function change হোৱাৰ কাৰণে ইয়াত আকৌ তুমি right hand limit ল'ব লাগিব right hand limit when x tends to 1 plus when x tends to 1 plus when x is greater than 1 then again function is greater than 1 function is twice x square plus twice x square minus x so twice x square minus x eto then this equal to 1 2 into 1 minus 1 ठीक है left hand limit when x is less than 1 when x is less than 1 function is 3x minus 2 yes 3x minus 2 so 3 into 1 minus 2 is equal to again is equal to 1 and f of 1 is equal to this here also right hand limit is equal to left hand limit is equal to value of the function therefore f is continuous at x equal to 1 but here point 3 this one point 3 is not a critical point not a turning point so turning point বা critical point নহলে আমি তাক direct limit উলাব পাৰো so এখানে আমি direct limit উলালো limit x tends to 3 x tends to 3 means when x is almost equal to 3 but not equal to 3 almost equal to 3 means either greater than 3 or less than 3 greater than 3 or less than 3 দুইটাতে greater than 2 এ হ'ব greater than 2 হোৱাৰ কাৰণে ফাংচনটো কি হ'ব when x is greater than 2 function is this greater than 2 function is this but 3 to ইয়াতে আছে 3 means greater than 2 therefore function to over 5x minus 4 therefore 5x minus 4 value is 11 and f of 3 is also 11 therefore f is continuous at x equal to 3 okay next number 4 discuss the continuity of fx equal to this when x is greater than 2 is equal to 1 minus x if x is less than 2 at the point x equal to 2 ইয়াত আকৌ একে কথা 2 to কি হল 2 is the critical point so critical point হোৱাৰ কাৰণে আমি ইয়াত আকৌ কি কৰিম right hand limit উলালো this is right hand limit this is left hand limit this is value of the function since right hand limit is equal to left hand limit is equal to value of the function therefore function is continuous at x equal to